appreciate it. Thank you. There is an exit fee, so you can't leave. But I hope you enjoy. We are focusing on Krishna, Narayana, Rama, Lord Rama songs. And we'll also squeeze in Bhagyada Lakshmi for everyone. So thank you all. Would you like us spend a few minutes introducing yourselves? Say your name.
I'm Nadia.
I'm Nivedita.
I'm Nikita.
I'm Manasvi.
I'm Shivatmika.
I'm Anvisa.
This is Chitra and I'm Geeta. Namaskaram everyone. We're going to wake everybody up and Lord Narayana with the eternal Sriman Narayana in the raga Bauli. Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sri Padamesharanu, Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sri Padamesharanu, Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sri Padamesharanu, Sriman Narayana, another Krishna song, Smariso Sarvada Hariya, the greatness of little Krishna, of young Krishna, of the great Lord Krishna. Sankata Haranana. You have a problem, it goes away. See? We will sing Bhagyada. Okay, girls? I'm going to increase it to G sharp for Bhagyada. So, the first two songs we focused on Lord Narayana, Lord Krishna, and the other half is as important. So we will now sing Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma. If you know the song, please join us and sing with us. Raga Madhyamavati. Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma. Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma. Nammani Saubhagyada Lakshmi Baramma. Nammani Saubhagyada Lakshmi Baramma. Nammani Saubhagyada Lakshmi Baramma. Nammani Saubhagyada Lakshmi Baramma. ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಲಿಂಗುತ್ತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ತೋರುತ್ತ ಸಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಕನಕ ವೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಮನಕಾಮನೆಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯ ತೋರೆ ದಿನಕರ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜಗಿ ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ಜನಕರಾಯನ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಬೇಯ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಅತ್ತೆ ಕಗಲರೆ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮನೆಯೊಳು ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ನಿತ್ಯ ಸುಮಂಗಳ ಸದ್ಯವ ತೋರುತ್ತ ಸಾಧು ಸಜ್ಜನರ ಚಿತ್ತದಿ ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ಪುತ್ತಳಿ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಶಂಕೆಯಿಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಣ್ಕನ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುವುದ ಬಾರಿ ಕುಂಕುಮಾಗಿದೆ ಪಂಕಜಲೋಚನೆ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನ ಬಿಂಕದ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತುಪ್ಪದ ಕಾಲುಗೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಳಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. Everyone here has Lakshmi come to your house. May you get prosperity, wealth in our little brains too, and health as well. So the little ones over here, I'm wondering, what did I teach you all to Kshirabdi Shayana? You all know, right? What wait? That means you're not practicing. We're going to sing Kshirabdi Shayana. If anyone knows, come here. You know? Aksh, you know Kshirabdi, right? Oh my God. Okay, girls, let's get back to G for Kshirabdi Shayana. Yeah, they're all hungry. Such a simple song. Come on, everyone, sing it. Okay. So our next song is a very small song on the Dashavatara. So enjoy it. We don't know who the composer was, but they created the song in the raga Dvijavanti, which is actually a highly therapeutic raga for any kind of mental illnesses. It calms the brain. It relaxes you, and so hopefully you will relax a little bit from your very hectic day at least mine was super hectic. So hopefully to relax you and enjoy the song. Everyone has a song? Okay. Shayana Narayana Shri Lakshmi Ramana Narayana Shri Shayana Narayana Shri Lakshmi Ramana Narayana Meena Sharira Narayana Kachaparupa Narayana Shukararupa Narayana Hariharirupa Narayana Vamanarupa Narayana Bhrugupatirupa Narayana Rama Sharira Narayana Haladhararupa Narayana Buddha Sharira Narayana Kalki Sharira Narayana Dashavidharupa Narayana Nata Jana Paripalaya Narayana Narayana Hari Narayana Narayana Hari Narayana Narayana Sriman Narayana Narayana Lakshmi Narayana Shri Radhe Shayana Narayana Shri Lakshmi Ramana Narayana 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 You want to do Muddugara next or you want to do Muddugara next? So our next song is a very, very unusual and a very sweet song on Lord Krishna, and it shows the different forms of Krishna as a little baby, as an older boy, naughty, stealing the butter, and as a young Krishna, so handsome and beautiful to look at and a beautiful personality, and then the adult Krishna. And then this song shows and compares him to gemstones like the Navaratna, the 9 gemstones, the precious, the sapphire, the diamond, the ruby, and in different life forms compares him to the stone. And as you know, in Indian and in Hindu mythology, stones are very important. Their auras are very important to you. They can heal you or they can cause damage. And so this song was created. It's a very sweet, sweet song. So hope you enjoy it. After a beat, okay? Give me 1 second, guys. Ready? After a clap. Muddugare Yashoda Mungiti Mutyamu Vidu Dildarani Mahimala Devaki Sutu ಮೂಡು ಅಂತ ನಿಂತ ಗೊಲ್ಲೆ ತಲ್ಲ ಅರಚೇತಿ ಮಾಣೇಕ್ಯಮು ಪುಂದ ಮಾಡೆ ಕಂಸುನಿ ಪಾಲಿವ ಶ್ರಮು ಅಂತ ನಿಂತ ಗೊಲ್ಲೆ ತಲ್ಲ ಅರಚೇತಿ ಮಾಣೇಕ್ಯಮು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೆ ಕಂಸುನಿ పాలివ శ్రము కాంతుల మూడు లోకాల గరుడ పచ్చపూస కాంతుల మూడు లోకాల గరుడ పచ్చపూస చెంతల మాలో నున్న చిన్ని కృష్ణుడు చెంతల మాలో నున్న చిన్ని కృష్ణుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంగిటె ముత్యము వీడు నిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకీ సుతుడు రతికేలి రుక్మిణికి రఘుమోగి పగడము ప్రీతి గోవర్ధనపు కోమలిగము రతికేలి రుక్మిణికి రఘుమోగి పగడము ప్రీతి గోవర్ధనపు కోమలిగము సతమయ శంఖ చక్రాల సందుల వైడూర్యము సతమయ శంఖ చక్రాల సందుల వైడూర్యము గతియై మమ్మోగాచే కమలాక్షుడు గతియై మమ్మోగాచే కమలాక్షుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంగిటె ముత్యము వీడు నిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకీ సుతుడు కాలింగుని తలలపై గప్పిన పుష్యరాగము ఏలేటి శ్రీ వెంకటాద్రి ఇంద్రనీలము కాలింగుని తలలపై గప్పిన పుష్యరాగము ఏలేటి శ్రీ వెంకటాద్రి ఇంద్రనీలము పాలజల నిధిలోన భయని దివ్యరణము పాలజల నిధిలోన భయని దివ్యరణము బాలుని వలదేరికి పద్మనాభుడు బాలుని వలదేరికి పద్మనాభుడు ముందుగారే యశోద ముంగిటె ముత్యము వీడు తిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకీ సుతుడు దేవకీ సుతుడు దేవకీ సుతుడు Such a sweet, sweet song this is. An Annamaya song. Very, very nice. Do you want to sing Sri Ramachandra Kripalu? So, we always like to sing Sri Ramachandra Kripalu by Tulsidas, Hare Rama Hare Krishna. So we pay ode to Lord Rama with this everlasting, absolutely fantastic song. So do enjoy. We sing it in Sindhu Bhairavi Raga. You may have heard it in Yamuna Kalyani. The popular version is Yamuna Kalyani, but we will be singing it in Sindhu Bhairavi. I've been talking all day since morning. It's been running all day, so I'm getting a dry throat. Jisha. G. If you know it, please join us and sing with us. Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaju Manaharana Bhava Bhayadarunam Navakanja Kanja Mukhakara Kanja Padakanjarunam Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaju Manaharana Bhava Bhayadarunam Navakanja Lochana Kanja Mukhakara Kanja Padakanjarunam Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaju Manaharana Bhava Bhayadarunam Kandarpa Aganita Amita Jhabinavaniha Niraja Sundaram Kandarpa Aganita Amita Jhabinavaniha Niraja Sundaram Pathapita Manabhuktarita Ruchi Suchi Navmi Janaka Sutavaram Pathapita Manabhuktarita Ruchi Suchi Navmi Janaka Sutavaram Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaju Manaharana Bhava Bhayadarunam Bhaju Dina Bandhu Dinesha Danava Daitya Vanshani Kandakam Bhaju Dina Bandhu Dinesha Danava Daitya Vanshani Kandanam Raghunanda Ananda Kanda Kaushala Chanda Dasharatha Nandanam Raghunanda Ananda Kanda Kaushala Chanda Dasharatha Nandanam Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaju Manaharana Bhava Bhayadarunam Siramukuta Kundala Tilaka Charu Daru Anga Vibhushanam Siramukuta Kundala Tilaka Charu Daru Anga Vibhushanam Ajanu Bhuja Sarchapa Dhara Sangrama Jita Karadushanam Ajanu Bhuja Sarchapa Dhara Sangrama Jita Karadushanam Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaju Manaharana Bhava Bhayadarunam Iti Vadati Tulasidasa Shankara Shisha Muni Manaranjanam Iti Vadati Tulasidasa Shankara Shisha Muni Manaranjanam Mama Hridaya Kanjanivasa Kuru Kamadi Kaladala Kanjanam Mama Hridaya Kanjanivasa Kuru Kamadi Kaladala Kanjanam Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaju Manaharana Bhava Bhayadarunam भवभयदारुणं हरण भवभयदारुणं Lagu Momo. Everybody has lyrics? Which one? We're going to listen this. I think we'll go to A. Or G sharp. G sharp. Ready? Galavani namano karuni jagamelu suruni janaki karuni galavani namano karuni जगमेलु सुरुणि जानकी करुणी देवादि देवुनि दिव्य सुन्दरुणि श्रीवासुदेवुनि गलवाणी नामनो करुणी जगमेलु सुरुणि जानकी करुणी सुज्ञान निधिनी सोमसूर्य लोचनुनि अज्ञानतममुनो अनचो भास्करुणि नगुमोमो गलवानि नामनो करुणि जगमेलु सुरुणि जानकी करुणी निर्मला कारुणी निखिलाग करुणी धर्मादि मोक्षं बोधय चेयु धनुनी नगुमोमो गलवानि नामनो करुणी जगमेलु सुरुणि जानकी करुणी बोधातो पलुमारो पूजिंचि मेना साधिंचु श्रीत्याग राजा सन्नुतुनि नगुमोमो गलवानि नामनो करुणी जगमेलु सुरुणि जानकी करुणी नगुमो ಕರುಣೆ Some of these songs they have learned quite a while ago away, so don't know if they're practicing, but they should be remembering it. Yeah. We will now sing another Rama song. Raravenu will do. How about you guys do it and I don't do it? Everybody's like, what? You want the words? Yeah, I'll give you. Swaram Padnam, okay? Yeah. Is that what you were asking me? Yeah. Okay. Everybody is running away. Nobody wants to. Why don't you all squeeze in here? Yeah. If you all know it, come in the front. I don't need to be here. Come here. You practice a little. Okay, come this side. Come here. Shivati. Madam Beauty. Wow. I cannot feel anything. Okay, ready kids? We won't do in third speed, okay? We'll do in second speed. Okay, forget it, whatever. It's a very, very pretty ragam called Bilahari. It's a very joyful raga. So, by the way, when I like to teach music, it's not just the aesthetic of music. I believe in a lot about the healing that music has. I do a lot of research in music therapy as well, especially Carnatic music and Indian music therapy, and which is why you hear me talking about raga, saying this does this, this does that, you know, and so it's very interesting. And when teaching them, I also ask them, how do you feel? What do you feel when you listen to this raga? You know, some of them like, oh, I don't like it. And then I wonder why. And I find out, okay, maybe they're not mature enough for it, or they're not, I'm laughing, or you know, some of the ragas may not really, you know, every person has, it's not like one pill solves everything. So for some people like the raga, some don't, and it sends vibrations within us that affect us in various ways. So I always tell them, sing, and the more you sing, you'll enjoy it. And when you enjoy it, it will do good things to you, to your mind, to your body, to your spirit. It's great and it's wonderful, right? Okay, they don't believe me, but okay. Sa-ri-ga-pa-da-sa-ni-da-pa-da-pa-ma-ga-ri, sa-ri-sa-ni-da-sa. Sa-ri-ga-pa-da-ga-pa-da-ri-sa-ni-da-pa-ma-ga-ri, sa-ri-ga-ga-ga-ri-ga-pa-pa-pa-pa. Da-pa-sa-sa-sa-sa-ga-ri-sa-ni-ni-da-pa-pa-da-pa-ma-ga-ri, sa-ri-ga-sa-ri-ga-pa-da-sa-ni-da-pa-da-pa-ma-ga-ri, sa-ri-sa-ni-da-sa. Pa-pa-pa-ri-ri-ri, ga-pa-ma-ga-ga, ga-pa-ma-ga-ma-ga-ri, sa-ri-ga-ri-sa-sa, ri-sa-ni-da-sa, ma-ga-ri-ga-pa, da-pa-da-ri-sa, ri-sa-ni-da-pa-ma-ga-ri, sa-ri-ga-pa-da-sa-ni-da-pa-da-pa-ma-ga-ri, sa-ri-sa-ni-da-sa. Da-ma-ga-ri-ga-pa, ma-ga-ri-ga-pa-pa-pa, ga-ri-sa-ni-da-ri, ri-sa-ni-da-sa, ri-sa-ni-da-sa-sa-sa, ga-ri-sa-ri-ri-ri, ri-sa-ni-da-da-da, pa-ma-ga-ga-ga. ಗರಿಗರಾರ ವೇಣು ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಜಿತ ಸದ್ಗುಣ ಜಯಶೀಲ ಸಾರ ಸಾಕ್ಷ ನೇರ ಮೇಮಿ ಮಾರುವಾದ ಕೋರ್ವಲೇರ ನಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ನೇನೆಂದು ಗೋಜಾಲ ನೀವೆಂದುರಾರ ಸದಮಲ ಮದಿಲೋ ಮುದಮಲ ರಗಣ ಕೆದುರುಗ ಗರಿಯರ ಚಾರ ವೇಣು ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಜಿತ ಸದ್ಗುಣ ಜಯಶೀಲ ಕಲುಮಾರುನುಗಾರವ ಮುನನಿನ್ ತಿಲಚಿನ ಪಲುಕ ಗುಣಲುಗ ಪುರ ಕರಿವರದ ಮರಿ ಮರಿನ ನದರ ಮುಗ್ರೋ ನರಗಣಿ ಕರ ಮುಗರಾರ ವೇಣು ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಜಿತ ಸದ್ಗುಣ ಜಯಶೀಲ ರಾನಗದರ ರಾಮುರಹರ ಭವಹರ ರಾವೇರ ಈ ಮಗುವನು ಈ ಲಲನನು ಈ ಸೊಗಸಿನಿ ಚೇಕೋರ కోరికలింపొంద వెందమునియంద చేరను మించంద మరుమధుర కరములచే మరి మరి నిరు శరణ నిదర వేణు గోపాల రాజిత సద్గుణ జయశీల సార సాక్ష నేర మేమి మారువాద కోర్వలేర వేణు గోపాల రాజిత సద్గుణ జయశీల రాజిత సద్గుణ జయశీల రాజిత సద్గుణ జయశీల ఎంజో తాళం షార్ట్ కట్ So I always tell them when we sing at Sangeeta Sevas, this is so wonderful. Not only are you close to God, you're close to your spirituality, you're close to music, but you have to practice or you can't sing. So it's a great way of, showcasing young talent. And for me, it's especially important because it's a piece of our history, of our culture that we are passing on to the younger generation, and hopefully they will pass it on to their generation, to their kids as well. So thank you. And parents, thank you for supporting them to learn despite the complaints, which I know will be plenty, but what they learn in the childhood, they will never forget. It's like swimming or cycling. You will never. This girl here stopped 10 years ago or more, or whatever. She's singing. She remembered. Right? See? So I have a lot of college students who come back. They'll leave because of high school and college, and then after college they'll come back and say, Auntie, can I resume? And they don't forget. It's fantastic. So music is something you can sing anywhere. You don't need anything except your throat, your mind, maybe a book if you forget. But that's all you need. And it'll immediately put you in a better mood. It'll immediately, however sad you are, however tired you are, it'll just peel off once you start singing and you just enjoy. And you'll always have an audience. So thank you everyone for staying here. Let's do Ramabhadra Rara. Come here. You will sit right in front of the mic. Okay, good. Yes? Come here, Aran.
My friends did them today.
My dear, you're right in front of the mic. You better not make mistakes.
Totally.
Piche inga va, tinnaga. Come back. Shall I make it in G? Oops, sorry. If you can't do talam, don't do it. All right, everyone? After the clap. Ramabhadra Rara, Ramachandra Rara, Tamarasalochana Sita తండ్రిరారా కనుల పండుగ కంటూ కన్న తండ్రిరారా రామభద్రరా రామచంద్రరారా తామరసలోచన సీతా సమేతరారా మోజగములకున్నది మూల బ్రహ్మరారా గజల చప్పుళ్ళు కల్లు కల్లు మనరారా మోజగములకున్నది మూల బ్రహ్మరారా గజల చప్పుళ్ళు కల్లు కల్లు మనరారా సమాధానలోలన చకదయరారా సమాధానలోలన చకదయరారా రామదాసునే లీల భద్రాచలేశ్వరారా రామదాసునే లీల భద్రాచలేశ్వరారా రామభద్రరా రామచంద్రరారా తామరసలోచన సీతా సమేతరారా రామభద్రరారా రామచంద్రరారా తామరసలోచన సీతా సమేతరారా
Which song is
Tattadudamita. I don't know. So Tattadudamita is imagine little Krishna and imagine little baby Krishna and he's got these little anklets on his feet and he's going ta 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 and he's running around and it's all jikki chikki chikki and all these noises. So we're singing a very cute song on baby Krishna and the little sounds that he makes as he runs around and plays in the house. Ready? ತತ್ತದಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಯನುತ ಹರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ ತತ್ತದಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಯನುತ ಹರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ ತತ್ತದಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಯನುತ ಹರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ ತತ್ತದಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಯನುತ ಹರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ ಚಿತ್ತ ಜಪಿತ ಉತ್ತಮ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಗೊತ್ತುಗಳ್ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯೊಳಗೆತ್ಯಾಡುತ್ತ ತತ ಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಯನುತ ಹರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ ಚಿತ್ತ ಜಪಿತ ಉತ್ತಮ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಗೊತ್ತುಗಳ್ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯೊಳಗೆತ್ಯಾಡುತ್ತ ತತ ಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಯನುತ ಹರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ ಹಾರ ಪದಕಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂರ ಕಿರೀಟವು ಧೀರ ಬಬುರಿಯದು ವೀರ ಹೊಳೆಯುತ್ತಿರೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪದಕಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂರ ಕಿರೀಟವು ಧೀರ ಬಬುರಿಯದು ವೀರ ಹೊಳೆಯುತ್ತಿರೆ ಮಾರ ಜನಕ ಸುಕುಮಾರ ಸಾರ ಗುಣ ಸಾರ ಮಹಿಮ ಹರಿ ತಕ ಧಿಮಿತ ತತ ಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಯನುತ ಹರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ ಕಣ್ಕಣವಂಕಿಯು ಕಿಂಕಿನಿರವಗಲ್ ಶಂಖ ಚಾದ್ರ ದಿವ್ಯ ಪಂಕಜಮಾಲೆಯು ಕಣವಂಕಿಯು ಕಿಂಕಿನಿರವಗಲ್ ಶಂಖ ಚಾದ್ರ ದಿವ್ಯ ಪಂಕಜಮಾಲೆಯು ಶಂಖಧರ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ವೇದಾಂತ ವೇದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ತಕದಿಮಿ ವೇದಾಂತ ವೇದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ತಕದಿಮಿ ವೇದಾಂತ ವೇದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ತಕದಿಮಿ ತತ ಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಯನುತ ಹರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ 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 Re Ramachandra.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, fine. Okay, y'all can sing it. Hitam, what is it? Where's your book?
It's 10. Yeah, it's 10.
Y'all don't need to sing. You want to sing the swaras?
I can sing both. I learned.
Swaras? Yeah, come here.
Okay.
You know Re Sri Ramachandra? Yeah? Come, sit down here. Come on. Beauty, where are you going? Oh, okay, fine. Just sit down here.
Okay.
Come here. Okay, hello, move. Let's go come. Squeeze.
Which way do I move?
So we just have one or two more songs. You're going to start.
Oh, it's Lisa.
Ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2.
When do I start? When do I start? After this.
You know, any song I was just thinking, even she's sitting there. Yeah. Not sure. I taught them Shira Disharana, but they both are saying no. No. You did not. Let me think. What are the songs I taught you? Yeah, 5 moments. Sing Rama Janardana. Come on, let's do that.
Oh yeah, I know Ramajanardana. I learned that.
Come on. You got 2 seconds. Come on. We're going to end on time.
So after Ramajanardana, then we'll do Re Sri Ramachandra. Got it.
You two can take your
What's the lyrics for Ramajanardana?
Ready?
Pa ga
Pamari magama padani sapada pamagari gari papaga pamari magama padani sapada pamagari gasasa gagasa mamari mapada pamagari gari gagasa mamari mapada pamagari gasasa Rama Janardana Ravana Madana Ramanuja Graja Raja Vibo Pamara Mochana Pankaja Lojana Bhakta Jana Priya Palayamam Bhumi Janayaka Bhukti Pradayaka Bhusura Palana Bhumi Pate Syamala Vigraha Shanta Guru Guha Sandutta Shri Ramachandra Prabhu Rama Janardana Ravana Madana Ramanuja Graja Raja Vibo Pamara Mochana Pankaja Lojana Bhakta Jana Priya Palayamam Bhakta Jana Priya Palayamam Bhakta Jana Priya Palayamam.
Okay. Re Sri Ramachandra. No, you don't know this one. Okay. Move over, Kanna. Perfect.
Okay.
Shivantika,
Do you want to look at the journal? Do you need those? I don't really need them here. Just a lot of space. What are we trying to call this? Do the lyrics and just like that.
We'll only sing the Sahityam, okay?
Okay.
Re
Shri Ramachandra Raghuvam
know how important tal is for tabla. If we had a mridangam or tabla here, they'd be looking at them. So it's a good thing we don't. But wonderful. And we have a small, Chitra and me are going to sing a small song to end. This is on Govinda Gopala. So girls, if you don't mind, let us sing. Good job. And look, no, sit there. Listen to us. Sit. Don't run away. Chitra. Okay, no talking on stage. Huh? What is this? This is a very beautiful raga, Sindhu Bhairavi. It's a beautiful raga to end. So please enjoy. And again, a very big thank you for listening to us and for supporting these young kids here. It means a lot. Raji, without you, we would not be here. So thank you so much. Govinda Gopala Gopika Vallabha Govardhano Dharaka Govinda Gopala Gopika Vallabha Govardhano Dharaka Govinda Gopala Gopika Vallabha Govardhano Dharaka Govardhano Dharaka Narayana Achyuta Narayana Achyuta Naramrigarupa Narayana Achyuta Naramrigarupa Shripati Shauri Hari Narayana Achyuta Naramrigarupa Shripati Shauri Hari Vari Jodhava Vandya Vandita Charitra Vari Jodhava Vandya Vandita Charitra Puramardhana Mitra Parama Pavitra Puramardhana Mitra Parama Pavitra Govinda Gopala Gopika Vallabha Govardhano Dharaka Govardhano Dharaka Inashashilochana Inashashilochana Indu Nibhanana Inashashilochana Indu Nibhanana Yenuta Kundalanadhana Yenuta Kundalanadhana Kanakamaya Vasana Adhana Papanashana राधा